Materials required: balloon and a scale. Take the balloon and blow it up. Mark galaxies and stars. Observe the space between the stars and galaxies. Blow the balloon a bit more and observe how the stars and galaxies move away from each other. Observations: as the balloon is blown, the galaxies and stars marked on it seem to move away from each other. Observe carefully and you will realize that it is not the stars and galaxies that are moving away, but it is the space between them that is expanding. Similarly, the universe too, with all its planets, stars and galaxies, is constantly expanding. Difference in pressure creates several effects on the weather. Hence, it is important to study and understand about how and when pressure changes. In this activity, you will make your own barometer, which will help you understand changes in the atmospheric pressures. For this experiment, you will need a balloon, tape, scale, a rubber band, straw, scissor and a jar. First we need to take the balloon and cut it in half like so, and so it will be stretchable like a sheet. And now we should keep it on top of the jar and secure it with a rubber band like so. And now we need to take the straw and cut it in half and place it as one end pointing outside. We need to tape this. Observe the barometer for a few days and you will be able to see changes. If the pressure outside the jar rises, the level of the straw will go up, while if the pressure outside the jar reduces, the level of the straw dips. Did you know materials expand when they are heated? Let us make a simple thermometer using this principle. We will need a transparent bottle, a straw, clay and paint. Fill the bottle to the top with room temperature water and add paint in it. Stir well. Make a hole in the cap of the bottle. Put the straw in it. Screw the cap on. Seal the opening with clay. You can mark the initial level of the colored water in the straw. Now place the bottle near a candle or to direct sunlight for some time. You will be able to observe the rise in the water level in the straw.